In this video, let's talk about how to fix Amazon checkout failure during an outage. So if currently Amazon is facing an outage and you're trying to fix the checkout failure issue, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. First of all, you can try out by switching the frameworks. So for example, if you're currently using the mobile app of Amazon, you can switch to a web browser. Using your mobile app as well or using your desktop, you can open up amazon.com and try to see if you can fix the issue. Secondly, what you can also try out is if you're currently on a Wi-Fi network, you can try switching to a mobile network so that you can bypass the regional BS cache as well. So this is the second option that you can try out. Also, alongside this, what you can also try out is if you're using the mobile app of Amazon, you can try to clear out the cache and force stop the application. So what you can do is make sure to remove the Amazon app from the recent app list. Tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Using this step as well, you should be able to fix this issue. So using one of these methods, you'll be able to bypass or fix the Amazon checkout failure issue. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.